We have Hardik Vijay today, CAT 99.96 percentile, one of the best I think. Calls from all IIMs, XLRI, everything. So, well Hardik, specifically how did you prepare, whatever you would like to tell students?
So for preparation, I was clear from the beginning that the main focus should be on the test series. But as I started giving more tests, I started to focus that I'm somewhere lagging in, especially VRC. Then I noticed that there is some problems in quant section as well. Because earlier I thought it was, strongest section of mine, but eventually I realized that I tend to give. Excessive amount of time to a particular question, get stuck in
Typical issue of students, deep में लेने का question को साला करना ही है.
Yes, exactly like that. So I was just attempting in my mock test that I used to give. I was just attempting like 15 or 14 questions in quant, and I was. With each test I used to give like that. Yeah, now I want to do at least 20. At least 22, but never I was able to achieve that target in my mock in the beginning.
So what did you do?
So I used to, when I used to analyze the mock, what I used to do, I used to take screenshot of every solution that I used to see. Whatever question I've done wrong, I used to take screenshot. So that I don't have to open the site of mock test.
Again and then check.
Yeah,
so you take a
screenshot, and from there I used to note down some formulas, and that were there. My approach was not like ki first you be precise in theory and then go to mock test. I used the different approach that first do the mock test and then from there analyze your mistake and write down all the formulas that were
and
there.
then go to the theory.
Yes.
See guys, now another different approach. See, this is what we are doing. A totally different approach altogether. Usually what we also say is do pura curriculum, then go to test series and analyze. What he did was exactly opposite. Still remember 99.96 percentile, which is not easy. First appear for mock test. Whatever mistakes we are doing, analyze them and the formula and the concept going back, right? But then you must have done your concepts before it. थोड़ा concepts तो पढ़ाई होगा ना पहले.
It was just like कि जो स्कूल में पढ़ा होता है, जो क्वांट में पढ़ा होता है,
वो उतना ही था.
That
So exactly the opposite.
Yeah. And about VRC section, last year when I appeared for the CAT, VRC was the highest scoring. I scored like 69 marks in VRC, and I was pretty confident about it. But when I started giving mocks again, I started noticing that RC questions are never getting correct. People say that their verbal is weak because there are parasymbols and everything. I used to correct all the parasymbols. I used to correct the odd out sentence. In RC, there used to be just one or two
correct answers.
Yeah, one.
So which means RC, at least in this attempt, was not your strong area when you started preparing.
Yeah, when I started.
So what did you do?
So initially I got panicked. Earlier I used to think that VRC is my strong section
And
because I
then-
had attempted. And when I started seeing my mock test results, I was barely getting above 130 in the beginning.
So what did you do?
So I started doing sectional tests, as many as possible.
Yeah, guys. So sectional test of VARC and then analyzing separately.
Yeah, exactly.
So how many mocks you must have given?
In the beginning I was going very slow, but in the last 1 month, I was giving one mock every day.
One mock every day,
Yeah.
and then analyzing.
Analyzing, I used to just look at the mistakes that I've done. I didn't used to look at the correct answers that I've done.
Yeah, so what we usually say is exactly the other way around, but that part separately.
Yeah.
But you are telling me that almost 25 to 30 mocks in last 1 month.
Yeah.
25 to 30 mocks, and
Yeah,
before that
even-
whatever you gave was very different.
Yeah.
Yeah, so again guys, mock test is so important.
I'll tell you about the last 7 days. Last 7 days, I actually, in the last 2-3 days, people say that don't prepare, don't burden yourself in the last 2-3 days. Last 2-3 days, I used to give 2 mocks in a day. I took holiday from my job. And I
Guys,
used to
please
give 2
listen to
mocks.
this. So you are telling me 2 mocks means 6 hours,
Yeah.
and you cannot give back to back, which means
Yeah.
I am assuming almost 7 to 8 hours of total work.
And I used to see whether I'm able to top that score that I've done earlier. So in the last mock that I gave, I used to reach about 180 in some tough
Tough
test,
mocks,
I was able to score about 169.
Uh,
The top I scored was 189 in one mock.
Interesting, guys, which is a good score. So, guys, please understand, very different strategy. This is what we have been telling all the students, that it's not necessary one strategy works for all. Every person is different. You see what strategy works for you. Am I correct?
Yeah.
Fair enough. Any advice, specific advice you would like to give to students?
I think this one most important advice would be to go back and realize your mistakes. Like for example, I used to, in the last day when I was, totally focused कि मुझे आरसी ठीक करना है कैट में पेपर में जाके आरसी ठीक करके आना है. I just go through all my mock test again, RC portion. And I was able to, I attempted in CAT out of 24, I was able to correct 22 RC.
22 RC question. Yes. Which means what you did was analyze all the RCs which you were given.
Yeah.
At a later stage also.
Yeah.
All the RC passages.
On the last day when I was, while I was having dinner, I was going through my last year paper. Why did I attempted, how many RC questions I attempted, why did I do some wrong?
Out of 24 questions, you are telling me how many were correct?
Yeah.
2.
Yeah.
Which is और कितना correct चाहिए?
Exactly.
So fair enough, guys. Again, analysis is important. Strategy could be different. So that's it.
Did you do this for any other particular topics and such? Quant में कोई specific topic के लिए you went back and checked all the questions करके?
Not all the questions. I used to just screenshot whatever question I used to leave. If I leave any question, I try to attempt them at the same time, and I try to also especially focus on what question that got more time of mine, what question got me stuck.
Interesting.
So time management was also something that you focused on.
Especially in the quant section, because I was lagging behind in quant, because I was expecting at least कि एंड तक मैं 25 तक पहुंच जाऊंगा, क्योंकि 25 सही करके आऊंगा तो 22 सही होंगे, 20 सही होंगे.
Correct. Fair enough. Thanks, Hardik. Wish you best of luck for all your interviews. Thank you. Done?